Hello, you guys. So I am straightening out my condiments and throwing things away in the refrigerator for the week. I already threw all this away, y'all. I throw these peppers away. I usually make my own Italian beefs, and I haven't made none in a while, so just throwing these peppers away. This French fry sauce haven't used in a while, so the dates are good on it, but just let it sit in the refrigerator. Lunch meat. Trying to straighten out my condiments. So this is stuff I keep in my refrigerator, y'all. Like my Italian dressing, ranch dressing. If we make sandwiches, sub dressing, pickles. I have my 2-time spicy sauce. This is the cheese one, y'all. If y'all haven't seen this one, this is the cheese one. And I also keep the red 2-time spicy in here. This red hot Frank's, y'all. The steak and honey garlic, so good. I have my yum yum sauce. My butter, onion. Just wipe that off. So y'all we gotta keep ranch in the house because the kids love ranch. Italian dressing. Have my honey mustard, Sweet Baby Ray's. This is what my husband like. This is my favorite dressing, y'all. Favorite dressing. It's Western French. I love this dressing. Some Sweet Baby Ray's. Now this like the taco stuff. Ortega. This the hot one. Always keep my jalapeno peppers in the refrigerator. This one Frank's sweet chili. This good, y'all, too. Have my tartar sauce. Jelly. Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip. Got some cornmeal just in case I had some left over when I made fish the other day. I had some left over. This the green sauce for the tacos. This some stuff I bought the other week, some street taco sauce. It was okay. I bought this the other week. Got me a Waterloo sparkling water. If y'all know I love sparkling waters, so I just got me one in here just in case. And down there, just some sugar. Hey, y'all, that's it. I'm throwing this milk away. The date on there I don't like, so I'm throwing that away. And I got a garbage full of stuff that I cleaned out the refrigerator today. Now my refrigerator is empty and waiting on me to get groceries for the week. Okay. And I'm gonna get pull these drawers out, clean up under there, clean the tops, and that's all. Freezer. Okay, you guys. I will see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Take care.